सनम ने अभी बीच में एक क्वेश्चन पुट अप करा था कि रेकी और रेकी को थोड़ा सा समझा दे. आई डोंट नो बट मैं जिक्र में ज्यादा बिलीव करती हूँ. रेकी अगर आपको बनना है, सीखना है, यस इट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ हीलिंग. तो मेरे लिए रेकी जो भी है, जो लोग हील करते हैं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि नियत, इन्नमल आमालु बिन नियत है. नियत पर सारा दारो मदार है. मेरी नियत अगर किसी को अल्लाह के रजा के लिए हील करना होगा, तो मेरे पास अल्लाह ताला खुद वो चीजें डालते जाएंगे मेरे अंदर, जो कि आगे चलकर बढ़ती जाएंगी. उसके लिए अगर आपको रेकी हीलिंग करनी है, तो मैं आपको फिर यही बोलूंगी कि आप अपना जिक्र बढ़ा दीजिए. आप हर चीज के हीलर बन जाओगे. हमारे रिलीजन में मायूसी कुफ्र है, राइट? और सबसे सबसे ज्यादा तकलीफ की बात ये है कि माहिर नफ्सियात जो है हमारे रिलीजन में बहुत कम लोग हैं, और बहुत कम लोग इसको एक्सेप्ट भी करते हैं. पीर मौलानाओं के पास ले जाते हैं, स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया होता है उनके पास लेकर चले जाते हैं. सो मेरी फील्ड इतनी वास्ट है कि मैंने अपनी फील्ड में रिसर्च वर्क करा है हिप्नोथेरेपी में. सम ऑफ यू आर अनेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दी. I just a second.
They are asking to speak in English more than that in Urdu.
Okay, okay,
So
okay.
they are like
Understood.
uncomfortable with that.
Sure, sure. So I was just ask. Okay. So in our religion, it has been told that study. Okay, ikra, study. The more you'll study, the more you'll gain. But don't be the lamp that is not giving the light to the people. And don't be the lamp who is burning himself or herself, but giving the light to the other people. Okay. So you have to help the community, but at the same time, you have to take care of your own self. And in the hypnotherapy sessions, we are going into the trance state, coming back to the topic, and then we are healing. Now, the one question has been asked by Sarah that, ma'am, uh, can we apply hypnotherapy to the psychotic patients? First of all, Sarah, psychotic, the term itself shows that it's a psychological phenomena. Okay, pathology is there. So when a pathology is coming, so it is better that we should refer the client to the psychiatrist, okay, and then to the psychologist, and then if needed you can apply the hypnotherapy session. But there is a procedure for the same. If you are applying directly hypnotherapy, then the client will not be benefited, right? So we need to understand.
Excuse
Okay.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Welcome.
Actually मुझे आपसे ये पूछना था कि how many sessions of hypnotherapy are required?
It totally depends on the person's capabilities of healing.
Okay, thank you.
If I am okay, if I am really wanting to help myself, so I will be giving I will be putting more efforts, and I will be having better results. So basically I would suggest that 8 sessions are required, minimum 8 sessions are required. And if you will ask me, that alhamdulillah, I have treated more than 1,000 clients.
Nice,
and
man.
and I, in the practice of this 9 years, I never get the client listening that, ma'am, we are consulting the another psychologist, because my motto is that if you are consulting me, the psychologist Sadaf Saeed, then you will not be needing a psychologist in the rest of your life. This is my motto. So someone is asking that, can you please repeat it? What is trance state? Trance state is that when we are about to sleep. For example, okay, I'm relaxed. I'm relaxed. Okay, मैं सोने वाली हूँ. I'm about to sleep, but I am not sleeping. Most of the time, I am I was not aware I was sleeping or I was awake. So that is the trance state. Okay. Now, ma'am, what are the reasons people become schizophrenic? Aruba, this particular topic I would like to take up into the next session because schizophrenia is itself a very vast topic. Though, um, for any sort of psychological disorders, there are many reasons, not only the one reason. So, when we talk about the etiology of the psychological disorders, then comes the genetics, environmental factors, social factors, physical factors, and the emotional factors. Collectively, these factors are there. Now, can we treat social anxiety through hypnotherapy? Yes, we can. Yes, we can treat, but we need to understand the root cause of the social anxiety, because social anxiety is a disorder and disorder needed to be rectified and treated. Okay,
There is
she can't
another
sleep without.
question like, yeah, Ikra Khan has asked that her
Yes,
friend is not getting
she
to
can't.
sleep without medicines.
I want it to be like before. So, Ikra, I would request you to just refer your friend, refer my name to your friend, and I would look into the matter and will try to find out the exact reason. Because whenever I'm taking the therapy sessions as well, either hypnotherapy or any simple therapy sessions, I am just simple trying to go into the roots of the problem. I never work on the top layer. I dig down deep so that the main cause of the problem should be eradicated completely. Okay, so you can refer them.
Ma'am,
In
everyone
trans,
is asking about the trans thing. Can you repeat them for
yeah,
like
ma'am, I'm
again?
taking the questions one by one. Yeah, in trance state, we feel our mind is going to sleep but not sleep. Is it true, ma'am? Yes, yes, Marshall Khan. Yes, it is true. मैम एग्जाम्पल देकर समझा सकती हैं आप ट्रांसलेट को प्लीज. यस इट इज लाइक मैं बैठी हुई हूँ, आई एम सिटिंग एंड आई एम थिंकिंग एंड आई एम कॉन्स्टेंटली लुकिंग एट सम पॉइंट. Suddenly I am losing the surroundings. Okay, I forgot that I am in a room and I went to my imaginative what we call that daydreaming. That is exactly the trance state. Okay. Walaikum assalam, Hira. Are there any side effects of hypnotherapy? No, not at all. The only side effect is that you will be healed completely. And
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
yeah. So, can hypnosis cure anxiety and phobia? Only Allah can cure. By Allah's will, we can cure anything. But yes, we can treat. We can treat through hypnotherapy, not hypnosis, Umema. Ma'am, I can't understand the trance state. Please explain it again. Mustabshira, it is about like मैं सो रही हूँ, आई एम स्लीपिंग, आंखें बंद हो रही है, हो रही है, हो रही है, एकदम से नींद में जाने ही वाली थी कि झटका लगकर आंख खुल गई. अंडरस्टूड? वो जो फेज है ना, वो कुछ सेकंड्स का, दैट इज ट्रांस. एंड ड्यूरिंग द हिप्नोथेरेपी वी आर अचीविंग दैट स्टेट फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम.
मैम व्हाट इफ अगर हम इसको ये इस तरह से अगर हम डिस्प्ले करें दैट वो जो हम एक टर्म यूज करते हैं आंख लग जाती है हमारी और
एग्जैक्टली, आंख,
that
आई यूज
yeah
दैट.
that the particular term we use in Urdu and Hindi that
Yes,
हमारी आंख लगे and then we just drug in a
yes,
moment and just we just
yes,
came into the consciousness basically. I think that
exactly.
span where we are half sleep and half waken, that is the basically the trance state. If someone is like
Yes, yes,
here right now.
yes, it is absolutely correct. Is there any difference between hypnosis and hypnotherapy? Yes. When we are talking about hypnotherapy, so hypnotherapy is a scientific term and no technical, no spiritual things are attached. Okay. Hypnotherapy is a scientific method. When it comes to hypnotherapy, you must have heard about Naqshbandi and some sort of things. So that is hypnosis. Hypnosis is not legal, by the way. Hypnotherapy is legal. Okay. Can this therapy harmful for someone? No, Sabreen. It is not harmful for anyone. Ma'am, is there any difference between hypnotism and hypnotherapy? Iman, the same as in the hypnosis and the hypnotherapy. Hypnotherapy is a scientific method, whereas hypnotism is somewhat related to the spirituality, Naqshbandi, right? Now, is insomnia healed by hypnotherapy? We need to understand the root cause of the problem, and then we will be applying the hypnotherapy as per the requirement of the person. Ma'am, how to do self hypnosis? Areen, I think you need to take the whole course with me for that. I'll teach you every single thing about that, because this is an interactive session, and I cannot go deeper into that.
Ma'am, actually,
Okay?
I'm a therapist and currently I'm pursuing Reiki master level. So I do the deep research, whatever workshops I attend. I attend all workshops because my education background is from the BBA of Human Resource Management, but I'm interested in psychology a lot because when in my first semester I just studied business psychology, so I was so influenced by the course. So I decided to pursue my career in organizational psychology, inshallah. May. So that's why I'm interested. And
Inshallah,
when
inshallah,
Reiki,
Allah will, help you and will ease your path. And for that, don't get confused when
and
it comes to Reiki and hypnotherapy. Hypnotherapy is a very detailed course, okay? And it is not just like by taking 1 hour of lecture, you will be able to understand that,
it's a
okay?
very big, yeah, I
Yeah.
love.
So, yes. Just a sec. 15 minutes more. So it is like actually for some time we relax but not completely unconscious. That is trance? Yes. Ma'am, how to do self hypnosis? I told you, Areen. How does a person need to be in hypnosis for therapy to be successful? That is the work of a hypnotist, not yours. Once you will understand the complexities of the hypnotherapy, then only you will be able to understand that whether the session was successful or not. Hypnosis is like a long sleep? No, it is not. Ma'am, how to heal a child if he or she daydreams a lot except playtime? We need to understand once again the root causes. Kindly consider to explain hypnosis a little more. Hamza, I would like to, but if I touch any single thing, the rest of the questions will be left untouched. Okay? Inshallah, I'll gonna, if you guys are interested in just, learning this, so I would uh, reschedule this class pretty soon, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Ma'am, am I
Translate.
allowed to say something regarding Reiki? I just wanted to add something.
That would be something like we are going up the topic, so let's just stick to the hypnotherapy then. I'm
Yeah,
sorry, I
relevant questions are needed because we have only 15 minutes to left, and she also has to go.
या मैम आप कोई केस सिनेरियो के थ्रू समझा सकती हैं हिप्नोथेरेपी को? यस, आई थिंक सानिया वी need to have one more session, a
Yeah, I
detailed
think
one,
so. Yeah, I need to relocate this
because
again because everyone seems
yeah,
so
I
interesting.
I am ready, people. I'll share the dates with the Sania, and
Yeah.
आपको मैं सिखाऊंगी, and then we will work on that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
What is the role of hypnosis in psychotherapy?
In psychotherapy, there is no role of hypnotherapy. In psychotherapy, we are not using the hypnotherapy. Psychotherapy is itself a therapy, and hypnotherapy is a part of psychology, we can say that. So when you're taking psychotherapy, then at that particular moment, the person or the therapist will be applying the psychotherapies. That is client-centered therapy, cognitive behavior therapy, exposure and response prevention therapy, psychoanalysis. So there comes a one point. आप मुझसे किसी भी फील्ड के बारे में सवाल पूछोगे, मेरे पास जवाब होगा, और ये 1 घंटा भी कम पड़ जाएगा.
Relevancy, guys, relevancy. Please margin this. Relevancy चाहिए हमें. Everyone like rushing out of the things.
आप मुझसे जो भी क्वेश्चन पुट अप करोगे, मैं उसका जवाब दे दूंगी. Is excessive daydreaming normal? No. excessive of everything is bad. So I am really overwhelmed by the response that you guys have given to me. If you want to make someone remember um, every single detail of the particular day, which might be for that cause of the person's disorder, how much of the detail can we get, like the number plate of the car that day? No, it's not like that. No, it's not like that. We cannot be like, don't fantasize it like a movie, Hollywood movie, where the person is going back into the time and then looking back, okay, this thing happened, that thing happened. No, just let's get back to the real life. Real life is much more constructive. And let me tell you one thing, people. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed us with this brain, and that's why we are called ashraful makhluqat, right? Abhi hum sirf 10% of our brain is using. Then we are able to create such great innovations. अगर हम अपना सारा mind use करेंगे तो हम क्या कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. It took many years for you to become hypnotherapist? No, Areen, not at all. Can hypnotherapy help us to get rid of excessive daydreaming? Yes. Can hypnotherapy be performed if the patient is not ready? No. Which means you're used in it? Yes, I'm used in it. Some techniques used in hypnotherapy: Chevreul's pendulum, eye fixation, progressive muscular relaxation therapy. These are the techniques that are used in hypnotherapy. Your eyes are closed during hypnosis? Hypnotherapy? Yes. How the therapist take the client into the trance state? Once again, I need to show the practical. So I will be taking the next class pretty soon. Okay? And I think, guys, ma'am, one thing I want to ask you. When we study psychology, sometimes we thought we have some mental disorders. Why, ma'am? Because सबसे पहले हम अपने ऊपर ही examples को apply करते हैं.
Firstly, I think we
Okay.
just get victimized on ourselves when it comes to psychology. Basically, हम हर disorder पे ये पढ़ना चाहिए, ये वाला मेरे अंदर भी है, ये वाला मेरे अंदर भी था. So it happens.
It is a good thing to explore psychological disorders in ourselves, because we all the time criticize other people and observing other people and finding psychological disorders in other people. So I think it's a positive thing to find disorder in ourselves too as well. When I was studying psychology in my first semester, so I was just filling out these surveys and I was exploring that what kind of psychology disorder I have. I used to study on that. So it was a very positive thing for me to do.
There is one thing also, जब भी कोई नई चीज होती है तो उसे हम सबसे पहले अपने ऊपर एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं. में if I am saying कि oh you have got this disorder, then we will be having fights, isn't it? So अपने ऊपर ही कुछ तजर्बा कर लिया जाए in order to understand that. इसीलिए and one more thing, नीम हकीम खतरा जान, नीम मुल्ला गैरुल्ला. So we need to understand that. लेकिन नीम हकीम ना बनकर आप एक पूरी प्रॉपर हिप्नोथेरेपी का कोर्स को सीखिए हमारे साथ, and yes, you will be able to help people, inshallah, for sure. Now my screen will go off, but I'll take your questions. Okay, you guys can ask. Success rate again depends on the hypnotist, right? Success rate is totally depend on the hypnotist, the way he or she is doing the sessions.
I think, ma'am, everyone is asking about the success rate. They actually mean about this. कितनी रेशो है कि इससे ये इफेक्टिविटी, इसकी जो efficacy है उसके बारे में हम जान सकते हैं. Like how much it is effective on a patients or these things who are daydreaming and who are excessive in this kind of issue. Like what are the
See.
efficacy of hypnotherapy, basically?
Ji. So about the efficacy is that if performed in a well-mannered, then you can get 90% results out of the hypnotherapy sessions if performed by a well-versed hypnotherapist. Otherwise, no. Many people are giving you hypnotherapy sessions and don't know the techniques being used in the hypnotherapy sessions, right? So that also we need to understand. The efficacy totally depends on the person from whom you are taking the hypnotherapy sessions. Okay?
I think this thing has been clarified, you guys.
Oh, Ma'am Sanya, I have a request. If Ma'am Areen allows, actually, I have also done Reiki, but I need some helps regarding that. So if she allows, so if you can please
Yeah, you
make
can.
our
You
contact.
can. You
Yeah, sure. I will send her contact number for your any sort of fashion sessions you want to have.
Yeah.
So I will like send you.
Sania,
Yes, ma'am.
I sorry, I have to leave the session here because
No
something
problem.
very urgent came up.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am. No
so
problem. You just can.
I will reschedule it.
Sure.
I will
You can.
reschedule it. Okay.
Sure, ma'am. Be it as is.
Okay.
So I think we should end up with this, and the rest of the questions have been left. We will continue from them. And everyone, thank you so much for joining us. And we are very, very, very thankful for you guys to have us on this board. And thank you so much, ma'am, for such a
Thank you so much.
incredible classes for us. And please, I really want you to have another session with us because I also
Sure,
have
sure. I'll take it.
questions.
I'll take it pretty soon. I'll take it pretty
Okay,
soon.
okay,
Yeah.
ma'am. So,
Thank you
okay.
so much. Jazakallahu khaira. And thank you, Hasib. Thank you, Royal Psychology Club. And thank you, a very lovely audience. Thank you so much. See you
Thank you
soon,
so much.
inshallah.
Okay.
Allah Hafiz.
Goodbye.
Allah
Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz.
Good night.
So, guys, you will have another session with us as soon as we just get them here in our board. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, Ma'am Sanya. And how can we contact with you? How can we get in contact with you?
Okay, for me, you can have, if you guys are in contact with the Royal One, so you can have the contact from there.
Oh, okay, I'll ask her then. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye,
Allah
everyone.
Hafiz.